Hey everyone, so in this lecture we are going to understand how to create a function. What is a function? Let's get started. So we are going to understand what is function. What is function? A function is a block of code designed to perform one specific task. Think about a real life washing machine. You press start, the machine performs many steps and the clothes are washed. And similarly, you call a function. The function performs its task. It may return a result. Like I will rewrite. Like this will be syntax, return, return type, and then function name. So in this way you will do make a function. Basically it is a block of code designed to do perform specific task. For example, you are buying something and you are like wash your clothes like real life washing machine. Okay, so alright, so now I will write a code. First I will write hashtag include iostream. What is that? It is a preprocessor directive that is we have to include iostream, that is the input output stream. Then we will enter using namespace std. Then we will create a function void create like then we will enter something in function like hello everyone. So I have to write here hello everyone. So then we create a main function. Then we call the function create. Then we will write return 0. Then we will run it. So you can see that we create a function. We can use many name of function like we can create word. So then we call the function one. You can see that. So here you have to understand the most three important points. First one is void. Uh, void. What is void? It means that function does not return a value. What is great? Like what is fun? Uh, and fun is the name of the function. Okay, and these are the parameters. Country they don't have any parameters. Like this is the body function, and what is cout? That is the task performed by function. Why cout is used here to perform output. So now we are going to understand. I will put another example here now. Like for example, add int a int b. Then we will return a plus b. Then we will call this function int result equals to add. What are these? These are the parameters. Then we will write cout result. Okay, you can see that this is printing 30. How it is follow? Like first we come to main function. then it's called add 10b, a equals to 10 and b equals to 20, then a plus b. Then what is a? A is 10 and what is b? B is 20. Then output will be 10 plus 20, that is 30. Like function is like a machine and we give it input, the machine perform a task and it can give us an output. Like there is input and function perform a task and there will be output. Okay, so this is about function. In next lecture we are going to understand a more interesting about it also. Okay, so this is my lecture. And if you like this lecture, make sure like and subscribe my channel so that you don't get misunderstood from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video. In next lecture, we are going to understand what is class, what is object, and we will create everything with Scratch. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and enjoy your evening. Thank you.